So I'm Guy Nason, I'm Professor of Statistics in the School of Mathematics. I'm here to talk to you about 1A20 Mathematics unit. So this is a unit that you can take here as part of your undergraduate degree. You'll have done A-level mathematics, and this takes the material in that course a bit further. It's grounded in the A-level mathematics, but we introduce new concepts such as Fourier series, which can be of great use for what you do in your degree course. So there are a couple of reasons why you might want to take this course. One is just for the sake of doing mathematics and learning a bit more mathematics and understanding the beauty and the power of mathematics, but it can also be very, very useful for your course and some of the things you might do in the science and support that. The course is given in Teaching Block 1. It consists of 3 lectures per week, plus a small group tutorial where you'll get together with other students with a tutor and discuss the course in a little bit more detail, deal with problems, that kind of thing. The whole course is assessed by examination in January, so by the end of January we'll be completely finished.
My name's Lewis Smith. I'm studying Chemistry of Industrial Experience, and I picked the Maths 1A20 module in my first year. I chose the unit because I had a great interest in doing mathematics as an optional unit while studying chemistry, but also I wanted to express the interest in the course as well as improve my understanding of mathematics. They've structured the lectures so at the beginning of the week you start a new topic, and they do it so as if it was a new concept for everybody. And then as the week progresses it gets more complex, but they do it in a way that, and the pace is such that it doesn't really affect your capability as long as you know you're devoted and willing to work, because all the concepts at A-levels are on the whole repeated during the course, so a lot of it is recapping, so no one's really caught behind if you took a gap year. The maths module is 3 lectures a week and a tutorial. I had it on a Wednesday, so midweek, and the lectures are quite formal. There's a lecturer who will be writing notes on a board and speaking about it, and they go through examples during the lectures. But I found like the most helpful was during the tutorials, where you get set questions in advance. You're given a week to answer through them. It's usually a dozen, but the sheets, they have questions where they're split up into easy, medium, and hard difficulty, where specifically the hard ones are for the students who want to, express that greater interest in maths and, extend it, and usually they're in context of chemistry or another science, which is particularly useful for relating it back to your main course. And all of the questions, they kind of map how they would appear in an exam, which is quite useful as well. But particularly in the tutorial, there'll be a maths professor who goes through it with you, and they'll put you on the spot and ask you questions. So I found that the most helpful part of the course, and it really brought everything together, so I didn't have to worry if I missed a lecture, because usually they'll go through it in the tutorial. So formally, it was quite well structured, and there's only one exam, and that was in January, which is quite good, because it meant that I don't have any more maths, which kind of conflicts with my revision this term, approaching the June exams, so it takes the pressure off.